Hi, this is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom, and I'm always on the lookout for a way to save money. I struck gold when I found this 10-pound bag of chicken leg quarters at Walmart for only $6.72. That's only 67 cents a pound. Kinda like finding gold. The leg quarter is actually one of the most flavorful and juicy cuts of the chicken. Unless I have a big group of people coming over, I freeze some of this for later. I like using the quart-size freezer bag because that gives us about a meal-sized portion for the two of us. You can use the hindquarters for all kinds of things like soup and casseroles, but one of my favorites is what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to set the oven for 425. For a couple of pieces like this, I'm going to use this small baking dish. You could even use like a pie pan. For a big batch, I use just a big cake pan. What I'm going to do first is just spray it with cooking spray and fit them all together, kind of like a puzzle. You can just use salt and pepper. But my favorite seasoning is my own concoction I call Shea Spice. It's just equal parts of garlic powder, chili powder, thyme, basil, curry, and salt. I like to save an old spice bottle and then mix it all up and put it in there so I can use it anytime I want, easy peasy. I'll season both sides and then I'll take a paper towel and wipe around the edges just to get rid of any extra that might smoke in the oven. Now we'll put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 25 minutes and then we'll turn it over. After 25 minutes, we pull out the chicken. It is not done, it's just about halfway done. We have to turn the chicken now. I want to put those pieces back together again. Then back in the oven for another 15 minutes so that it gets up to an internal temperature of 165 degrees or more. I'm going to test with a meat thermometer to see if it's up to temperature. Yes, it is. And I always test it in more than one place. Don't hit the bone. Yep, it's definitely done. If it's less than 165, then put it back in the oven. Check on it another 5 minutes until it is done. One of the great things about using chicken leg quarters is that you can overcook them and they'll still be juicy, not dried out. Isn't that nice? You can serve this with any sides you like. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa mom. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@iowamom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.